Students, today we are going to see special types of integrals. Type 1, integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. This is the first type. In this type, we are going to do problems related with that. Evaluate integral dx by 16 minus x square. 16 can be written as 4 square and assume that a is equal to 4. Now as per the formula 2 into a log of a plus x by a minus x. Therefore 2 into 4 is 1 by 8 log of 4 plus x by 4 minus x plus c. It is a very simple formula to understand. Now we shall see example 2.43. Example 2.43 integral dx by 4x square minus 1. This comes under type 2. Root integral 1 by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Now this 4 in the denominator, that is coefficient of x square 4, that can be taken out just for our convenience. Dx by x square, by taking 4 we have to immediately divide by 4 here. So we can conveniently make this as a standard form, that is in 1 by 4 integral dx by x square minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Now this standard form gives us 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. On simplification 2 gets cancelled, 2x minus 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 by 2, by 2 gets cancelled, therefore this remains. This is the answer for this. Next example 2.44. Evaluate integral x square by x square minus 25 into dx. This comes under type 2 only, that is x square by 25. In the denominator you have x square minus 25, but in the numerator you have only x square. So you can subtract 25 and add 25. By subtracting 25 and adding 25, we can cancel this x square minus 25 with the denominator and get 1. 25 by x square minus 25. Now this dx, 1 into dx is equal to dx. 25 is taken out, integral 1 by x square minus 5 square dx. X plus 25 into 1 by 2a plus log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. On simplification, you get 5 with 25 gets cancelled. You are getting this final answer. Now, exercise 2.7, fifth problem. Evaluate dx by x square plus 3x plus 2. Now, this is an incompleted perfect square. Incompleted perfect square. Now, make this as a perfect square. We have to add and subtract 9 by 4. How you got this 9 by 4? The coefficient of x is equal to 3. Dividing by 2, you get 3 by 2. Squaring, you get 9 by 4. So, add 9 by 4 and subtract 9 by 4. By adding 9 by 4, you get x plus 3 the whole square for these 3 terms. And 9 by 4 plus 2, minus 9 by 4 plus 2. On simplification, you get minus 1 by 4. Again, this 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 the whole square. Now you got a perfect standard form. That is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. On simplification, you get this as x 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 and half. 1 and half minus half, 1. Again 1 and half plus half, 2. This is the answer. Now exercise 2.7, the seventh problem. Evaluate e power x by e power 2x minus 9. E power x 2x can be written as e power x the whole square minus 9 can be written as 3 square. Now assume e power x as t. E power x differentiating, we get e power x itself. E power x dx is equal to dt. So e power x dx is equal to dt. Here e power x the whole square minus 3 square, t square minus. Now 1 by 2a log of x minus a model, that is t minus 3 by t plus 3, where t is equal to e power x, and here 1 by 2 into 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Now we shall see Exercise 2.7 eighth problem. Evaluate integral dx by root of 9x square minus 7. This comes under type 3. Integral dx by mx square minus a square. Root of mx square minus x square, that is equal to 1 by m. Coefficient of x is equal to m. Log of mx plus root of mx square minus a square plus c. So by using this formula, we can do this problem. My 9x square can be written as 3x the whole square minus root 7 square. 7 can be written as root 7 square to make this as a standard form. So 1 by m, in the place of m you have coefficient of x is equal to 3 log of mx plus root of mx whole square minus a square model. So on simplification of this root, we get the problem which is given to you. Now we exercise 2.7 ninth problem. Evaluate integral dx by x square plus 6x plus 13. This comes under type 4, that is dx by root of x square plus a square is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Here in this problem, within the root we have x square plus 6x plus 13. It is also an incompleted perfect square. Incompleted perfect square. To make this as a perfect square, as I already told you, the coefficient of x is equal to 6 divided by 2, what gives? That is 3. On squaring, you get 9. So adding and subtracting 9, we get here. Now first 3 terms will be a perfect square. 13 minus 9 will give you 4. 4 can be rewritten as 2 square. Now this comes under this standard form, that is type 4, that log of x plus 3 plus root of x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square is nothing but the simplification of this original problem. Now exercise 2.7 11th problem. Evaluate integral x cube by root of x power 8 minus 1 dx. Use type 3, what we already did. Now x cube by root of x power 8 can be written as x power 4 whole square minus 1. Now assume x power 4 as t. On differentiation, you get 4x cube into dx is equal to dt. X cube into dx is equal to dt by 4. Therefore, in this problem, we can rewrite this x cube into dx as dt by 4 root of x power 4 whole square is equal to t square minus 1. Now, in this formula, we get log of t plus root of t square minus 1 plus c, where t is equal to x power 4, t square is equal to x power 8 minus 1 plus c. Now we shall do exercise 2.7 13th problem. Evaluate integral x square minus 2 into dx. This comes under type 5. Now root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 x square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of a square minus x square minus a square plus c. That is the formula. We know it. Now we can simplify this into integral root of x square minus 2 can be written as root 2 whole square to make it as a standard form. Now after getting this, we can make use of this formula, that is type 5. Now x by 2 root of x square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. On simplification, we get this as a log of is root 2 whole square is 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Root 2 whole square is 2 gets cancelled. This and this 2 gets cancelled. So this remains log modulus x plus root of x square minus 2 plus c. Now exercise 2.7 15th problem. Evaluate integral root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 dx. This is also by using type 5. Here this 2x square plus 4x plus 1. Within the root, we get 2 is common. By taking 2 common means you are taking root 2 itself common. So by taking root 2 outside, what remains here? Only x square and 2x plus 1 by 2. Now, x square plus 2x plus 1 by 2 is incompleted perfect square. So, as we did in these previous problems, coefficient of x is equal to 2 divided by 2 we get 1. 1 square is 1 only. Adding 1 minus 1. Already there is plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 which gives you x plus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 plus half is nothing but minus half. Minus 1 plus half. On simplification, you get a minus half. Therefore, this half also could be written as 1 by root 2 whole square for getting this standard form. Now, x plus 1 by 2 root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1. That is x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square. On simplification, you get the denominator and LCM as 1 by 2. A square by 2. A square is what? What is A? 1 by root 2 square by 2 log of x plus 1 plus root of 2x square plus 1 4x plus 1 by 2. Now root 2 x plus 1 root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 4 log of x plus 1 plus 2x square plus 4x plus 1 by, that is root 2. Root 2. That is within the root I am just writing this. Again I am taking the LCM for this term x plus 1, this root 2 multiplied. Root 2 multiplied. Now we have already root 2 outside. I am taking this inside. Therefore root 2 and this root 2 gets cancelled. So what remains? X plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 minus log of, here it should be written as two x square plus 4x plus 1. Here also root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1. Now this denominator root 2, log of root 2. Since it is in the denominator, it becomes minus log root 2. Minus log root 2 is a constant. Minus log root 2 is a constant. Plus c. Constant plus c, again it becomes a constant only. We can write conveniently as constant because denominator root 2 is taken as LCM here. After taking LCM, this root 2 becomes log m by n. Log m by n. We know that log m by n is nothing but log m minus log n. This log n here is considered as c here. This log n is considered as c. And therefore already there is one c. C plus c again becomes a constant only. Constant can be written only one time. No need to write a C1 plus C2 plus C3 etc. Now the final answer for this is equal to x plus 1 by 2 root of x 2x square plus 4x plus 1 minus root 2 by 4 log of root 2 x plus 1 plus root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. That's all the answer. Now I will give you some other problem with a hint. You can do it yourself.